All right, so for the main activity, that is the worksheet. What this exercise is supposed to do is it would get you familiar with how to build a website or a WebQuest, and so it equips you to um, pick out a good website or a good WebQuest, and give you that skill to be able to create your own web quest. So what I like you guys to do is when you look at all these, when you go to your Blackboard and you look at the content, all these three, if you can see the cursor, all these three are areas that I like you guys to select from. So first, look at each web quest that you look at, you will find that it has the same kind of group activities. And um, aside group one, who have only three in the group, they can just select anyone that they want. All the others are four in the group, so um, each person has to pick a role. That's what you have to use the discussion board to do with your group chat room. So you go to your group chat room, decide on who will play what role. So let's say I select the technophile or the technophile, and so what the technophile or the technophile does is um, your thing is the internet. Okay, so to you, the best web quest is the one that makes the best use of the technology of the web. If a web quest has attractive colors, animated GIFs, and lots of links of interesting sites, you love it. If you make the minimal use of the website, you rather use a worksheet. So for you, when you take any of these levels, the elementary, the middle school, or the secondary, you're looking at that web quest through the lens of a technophile or a technophile. So what you're looking for a good website is the attractive colors, the GIFs, animated GIFs, and links to navigate around and to go to other sites or resources. So when your group decides that you're going to do elementary, so let's say I'm playing the role of the technophile or the technophile, my group picks elementary. Your group needs to pick only one. You can pick from the elementary, you can pick from the middle school or the secondary. So let's say we pick elementary. Follow these instructions on this website. Is this we what this like week activity is it's just duplicating or replicating the Benny Dodge WebQuest scaffolding skills. So we are just doing this same thing for this week. So just follow the instructions and all. This is the same things that I put on the syllabus so to guide you. So when you look, and I've told you already to copy the text, to copy the worksheet. That I have linked the text. I've linked a text to the worksheet. So when you go to on your course content, you find out that the the link goes to the worksheet. So this is the link. So click on that and go download the link. Copy it to Word. So let's say um, I have copied it. So I said put an X by the role you played. So you put an X by it so I know what role you played. Um, and then you take each website. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 websites. If you look, they correspond to these. Gross School Greens is the same on the first. So you are looking for the strengths and the weaknesses of Gross School Green, the web quest for the Gross School Green. If you look at Where is My Hero, you do the same. Railroad, that's it. Uh, that's it right there. So you do the same. So you go to grow screw greens, and remember that your role is the technophile or the technophile. So you look at each page, and like I told you in the previous how-to video, this is a complete web quest, and this is what your final product will be like for your final exam. So remember I told you it has 5 pages or 6 pages that are required, and they are fixed: introduction, the task, the process, evaluation, conclusion, and credits page. And you find that throughout all the web quests. So as a technophile or technophile, when you get on this page, what you're looking for is good colors, good links, animated gifs. There is an animated gif right there, so it's a I mean, it's a good website. Click through all the pages. There's an animated gif here. um, the steps are okay. Still an animated gif. So far I don't see any link. The main thing is the process page where you're given a step-by-step guidance on what to do. Okay, there's a link here, there's a link there, there's a link there. Let me check if the links work. I downloaded it. Okay, so it must be working. So don't spend too much time on clicking through all the links. Just make sure that they work. A couple of them, select a couple of them, make sure they work. Page not found. um, so let me go back. Maybe I'll still give it. So when you have when you have finished going through the website, you just come to your and say the strengths of the web quest is that it has animated gifs. So remember, you're the technophile. Okay, so the gifs is this animated gifs. I think it's okay, or you can just put it all in caps. It's a file format. It has gifs, it has links. So list a few of the things that you see on the website, the strength of the website, and you're looking at it from the lens of a technophile or a technophile. So fill that out. Some of the weaknesses, some of the links led to blank pages, so I can list those things as some of the weaknesses. When you're done doing that, you copy your worksheet and you paste it to your blog as a new blog posting. So each individual will paste their own um, worksheet, and when you're done pasting your worksheet, you go back to your group. You can save it. I mean, you can save it as a draft or whatever you want to save it as, or you can publish it on your blog and get back and edit it when you're done. So when you're finished with the worksheet, you go back to your group, you discuss which two of the websites, whether it's Grow Greens, Who is My Hero, or whatever, whichever two you select. Discuss the strengths and weaknesses of your evaluation, or the website that has the most strengths and weaknesses. Discuss it with your group. Post your comments, and I mean, let your group members allow your group members to get back or respond to that, and then appoint one person to summarize which two of the websites you deem as best web quests. And then when you've summarized comments from your peers, you post it to the group thoughts section on the course content. When you copy and when you do that, when you copy and paste there, all four members, or for that matter, group three, all three members in group one, sorry, will copy the same summary or group thoughts and add that to your worksheet. So paste your worksheet in on your blog, add the group summary or group thoughts beneath that same post, or you can just start it as a new post and give it a title and save that. That's all you need. And then um, the the URL. Don't forget to create the URL and send that to. So all the best.